Hi guys, Patriotic Brick here. I know what you're thinking. Why am I not in the poor excuse that is my workroom doing reviews? Well, this is the reason. Today, I just thought to mess about with this thing. Is it beautiful? Well, I think it is. I got this at the Slammer Stunt bike at my local Oxtown shop for $4.99. $4.99. It was such a steal for such a rare find. Yeah, I know. Something into it. So I found this old set in my Oxtown shop, $4.99. I've already said that. Sipping me. And well, I just thought about messing about with it, like putting it through a few tests. You know, testing it. I'm showing it with my young sister. She likes it. Well, it came in this box. Yes, I know. The previous owner of this box didn't, treat it well. I had some time, ripping off the duct tape he had put on it. Completely ruined it by my standards. So this Technic model, set, whatever, came with these instructions. I'm not doing a review on it. Yes, I know what you're thinking. It came with these instructions. Had like a few parts to the instructions. Yeah, a few parts of the instructions. You can make something out with it, and you could get back then you could get two boxes of accessories, like a mechanical thing. I'll show it to you right here. You see that? Right there. And you can put it on the actual Slammer Stunt bike, and I don't know, I think it's a speedometer. Speedometer? Speedometer. I think that's a speedometer. Yeah. Also, it came with, also you could get those very old Technic figures. My cousins have a few back themselves in Spain. Well, yeah. This is the thing on the back saying that you can get things for the Samsung bike number 8240, and from 7 upwards. Yeah. It also came with this little launch system. You put it down here. Oh, sorry. You put it down like this. Up and down, and then what you do is you put that in there. I think that's what you do. You put that. This is sounding wrong, but you put that to. Then to launch it, you just press down there. I think that launches it away. So I'm just going to be putting this through a test of how far it can go along my utility room floor. I know this is on a stand. So I'll just be taking off my camera off the stand. Okay, and then I'm sorry, the mats I use for the legs of my stand. It's an old Hakuba stand that has like points on the bottom of its legs. And that's kind of like making dents in the carpet. Well, there's the launch system. And there's the Slammer Stunt bike ready for its little test. If I can get it in like that, like that. Oh yeah, and it does come with suspension. It does come with suspension. Obviously used to go up ramps. So I'm just gonna place the camera down on the floor. If you can see it, I think you can see it, yeah. Alright then. Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a good distance, I think. Yeah, very good distance. Yeah, so I think that's like a meter and a bit. A meter and a bit. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sorry about that. I leant on my stand and it just gave way, so I nearly had a fatal accident. So yeah, the Slammer Stunt bike. Short test video, I think. Yeah. So I think this is back from 1999. Yeah, I think that's 1999. Yeah. So suspension there and front wheels, back wheels. Got this lovely little antenna. I don't think you can find them. And also, if you look in the right places, you might be able to find that little mechanical thing like the speedometer and maybe the figures, the Technic figures. Yeah. So overall, yeah. Little testing. What the hell is that? I don't know. Yeah. Hakuba stand. Very. It can take an unsuspecting person by surprise. This Hakuba HK232 stand. Yeah. It was given to me by my grandfather. He didn't want it anymore. So well, I took it from him. He didn't mind. So yeah. Lego Technic Slammer Stunt bike. Test went well. Went meter and a bit across my utility room floor. So what else is there to say? Got it out for £4.99. Very good price. I think it was because of the not good condition of the box. But other than that, very good. I like it. My younger sister likes it. Thumbs up for my younger sister. She's gonna have so much fun with this. Alright, so we've come to the end of this video. This strange, quick video which I wanted to do to test the bike down my utility room floor. And so, what can I say? This is Patriotic Brick, out!